Hi. We're often asked about a self-managed superannuation fund. Here at My Super Advisor, we specialise in assisting clients set up a self-managed super fund and administer the compliance work for it. A self-managed super fund, or an SMSF, is simply a trust where assets are held on behalf of members. Unlike a normal discretionary trust, where a trustee gets to decide at their discretion how the money gets distributed, an SMSF is a fund or a trust where assets are held specifically in proportion to how the members contribute money into that fund in the first place. An SMSF has to have beneficiaries or members, and it has to have trustees. Every member has to be a trustee. That means you as the trustee take responsibility on how those assets are invested and how they're treated and dealt with throughout every year. It means if you make a mistake, it's your fault. So you can't go blaming other people around you. So you have to be educated and you have to know some of the rules and regulations behind a self-managed super fund. And in setting a self-managed super fund up, you actually sign a declaration to say that you have educated yourself on the rules and regulations. Now, a self-managed super fund has a purpose. Its sole purpose is there to accumulate funds for the purpose of your retirement, not to accumulate assets for your personal use or personal enjoyment. So you can't buy assets in it such as your holiday homes or your residential property. But you can buy assets such as investment properties, commercial properties, shares, units in unit trusts or managed funds. Cash, of course, can be invested, and there are a variety of other assets that you can invest your money in, so long as you're returning a revenue stream or earning income off it for the purposes of your retirement. It's not much more complicated than that, other than there's some other rules and regulations on how you can use the money throughout the year. Obviously, when it comes to retirement, then the money's there to pay out for you your retirement pension as such. And those rules and regulations are very different for each individual, depending on ages and so forth. But quite simply, a self-managed super fund is one of the most effective investment vehicles that you can possibly consider. If you've thought about having one, then why don't you come and visit us and meet with us about what is the best option for you. We can set one up for you and get you started and educate you on all the rules and regulations. So give us a call and we'll help you out with your own self-managed super fund.